In front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you want to use in this view and launching it in the background. Now, you can either click on this icon of a floating window at the bottom, or click on the icon of an app at the top and select Freeform. Whatever you decided after you click, you need to select Next and OK to enjoy your app as this little window. Now to move it around, hold this icon of a line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. To use it in full screen view, hold one of its corners and drag it all the way down until you see a white area. Then let go. It also works when you click on this line to select full screen. If you want to minimalize your app, click on the same line again and choose Minimalize. Then tap on the bubble and enjoy your window again. You can also click on this button at the bottom right corner to minimalize it. Now, to close your window, you can either click on the line and select Close, or hold it and drag it to Remove section at the bottom. Then let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!